if you are able to spot intro, body, conclusion, your 30% problem will get resolved of reading comprehension. Why? Because intro is going to be answered to the primary purpose family, body is going to be answer of some specific family, conclusion is going to be the part of primary purpose, and then only two types of more questions will be left that we solve through the body part. Okay. So what is mean of introduction? Introduction means first information that author represents. Then body is what? Justification of or exemplification of introduction. Moving to the next part, when you combine intro and conclusion, it becomes the answer of primary purpose family. Primary purpose includes primary purpose itself, primary concern, main idea, main point, center information, and title. So if there is one para, then first there will be two cases. Case number one, first sentence introduction, last sentence conclusion, rest of body. Otherwise, first sentence introduction and rest of body.
Okay.
So let us try this one. All right. So this is your introduction, and now this is your body.
Body, yeah, correct.
So body is raising question against traditional authority. How? According to author, theorist defined a process of traditional authority, right?
Okay.
But it is not traditional. Instead, it is modern.
Like, how did you come to that conclusion? Like, it's modern? If a theorist is to be consistent, he must concede that we're modern before the first colonialist dictatorship. Okay.
Second one, good. That's called. So whenever you are reading, do not read with emotion, but read with the I've said no, but means evaluation point of view. So let's consider this point. What is mean of this sentence and what role it plays in the passage?
Like, they're saying that in some particular situation, this scheme will work. Like, this scheme works in categorizing some
No
societies.
doubt, this works enough in categorizing some societies. So the first question was raised. It is not general, but some. So this is question or this is support?
This is support.
Okay. So if it is support, then you should not mention some societies. God.
Okay.
Example. I said you are okay, but in some cases. What does it mean? You are not completely okay, right?
Yeah.
You solved, but some were correct. It's mean
Not all were correct.
got.
Yeah.
So this is called reading technique. Here, got that? So when you say, and after that, it is raising doubt. Till now, check it. Whether it is talking about traditional or it is talking about flexibility.
Yeah, they are like saying about a different category here, right? Like, which is like contradictory to the general statement.
Mm-hmm.
Like, um, so in the second, like this, no doubt the scheme works well enough in categorizing some societies. From this, we understood like it's not a general statement. So that some societies, but how is one to classify the Hindu society? See that some societies they are giving an example. Is it that?
So finally, it is saying that it is different, right?
Huh.
And then at the end, justifying the same previous information.
Okay, in the first introduction, the author started with saying that it's traditional, and then from in the body, they're giving just some more, statements to say that it's not completely traditional, and in the conclusion, we are saying that it's not completely traditional. It has to be like modern or something like that. Is it?
Hmm. Got. So
Yeah.
it was intro, body, conclusion process. Okay. And when you include intro plus conclusion, it becomes the answer of primary purpose.